make him in the crib. It'd be so annoying for you to make him go sleep. And then hang at the edge.
Is that so yummy, baby?
Not you.
Is that really yummy? Can I get more for you? Here, mommy put some more in the spoon for you. Here you go. Can I have that spoon so I can put it on for you? That's yummy. You like mashed potatoes and meatballs. That's right. Oh, poor baby. You have a little bruise on your face.
I almost could. It's so scary. I wouldn't care about the cup. I would buy a cup.
Yummy? So yummy, huh? Here, let me borrow this for a second so I can get more for you.
If it was too big, we'd be crushed by them.
Here you go. Here you go. You want milk? Do you want some milk? Say milk, please, mommy. Oh, you want a napkin? Do you want a napkin?
That boat was right next to me.
No?
I was so scared.
What do you want?
I bet I'll just sleep.
A fork?
I'll be running like crazy.
You like a fork?
How could that happen? You're just leaving the way?
Here, let mommy have one of the spoons then.
Nobody end up Ikea, right, Kevin? Everybody would be like in the basement or something.
Is it yummy? You can do a commercial for Campbell. Good. Don't say that to him.
I'm not a baby.
I know, but I don't want you to say that though. Once he understands that, he might feel subconscious.
A little bit normal, but
You think he's a little bit normal?
still not normal.
Uh-oh, you dropped another piece.
So you need makeup on the shoulder. Now it's going to be too hard for us to wash him.
It's okay, he can just go in the shopping cart.
No, you made it difficult for me
Is that...
and Kevin.
It's just that we only go out once in a while, Tiffany.
No, we always go every day. You have to look, see that baby. It's his shoulder. Yeah,
That's so yummy, Benjamin.
that's normal. See that baby?
Would you like to eat more? What you looking at, huh? Who are you looking at, baby? Quang Hung.
Now your clip is useless.
Quang Hung, who are you looking at? Hi.
Kevin.
Here you go.
This clip is
Do you want to use this?
I can use it. It's like so useless.
That's a big bite. Okay, all right. Uh-oh, be careful. That's too big for you. That's a little bit too big, huh? Mommy can break it up for you. Mommy can break it up. Here you go. This is a little smaller. Here you go. You want to do it yourself? Okay. Jamami, huh? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Jamami. Okay. All right, all right. Do you want some more mashed potatoes? More mashed potatoes?
$500,000.
Here you go. Okay. Okay, put it here. Do you want... Bless you. Bless you, baby. You want to clean your hands? Here's a napkin for you to clean your hands. Okay, you're done. Okay, you're done. Okay.